gentlemen, please direct your attention to the Garrison Channel Bridge. SOCOM has a distinct advantage in this fight, as a SEAL delivery vehicle, better known as an SDV, was launched in advance from Sparkman Wharf to conduct a subsurface reconnaissance of the objective. Meanwhile, we've just received word that an amazing aircraft that we have in the 160th to be able to insert into the very tight. There's nothing better than seeing those bad SOCRs from the Special Boat Team 22. Let's give it up for SBT 22, our little birds, and our little birds for the 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment.